Hello. In this video, we'll walk you through the components of a wash bay and the ways you can customize one to meet your needs, all in an effort to make cleaning vehicles and equipment much easier. Prior to building a wash bay, we encourage you to meet with your nearest Hotsy dealer who will perform a free on-site assessment of your location. There are many different configurations for a wash bay, depending on space, utilities, and budget, ranging from a wash pad outdoors to a pull-through enclosure. In this video, we'll cover the main components for an enclosed indoor bay. If adding on to a structure, existing electricity, water, and fuel can be used to supply the pressure washer. When building from the ground up, you have the luxury of requesting exactly what you need. First, determine which pressure washer model is best. We recommend a hot water unit since the vehicles you're cleaning will have oil, road film, and other organic materials present. You can choose to go with a stationary or portable pressure washer, but stationary is more common in a wash bay. Hotsy units are 208, 230, 460, or 575 volt, single or three-phase, which may or may not be compatible with your existing electricity. It's best to have an electrician or qualified Hotsy service technician verify the voltage in order to save headache later during installation. You'll need a fuel source to fire the burner on the pressure washer. By tapping into the building's existing natural gas or liquid propane supply, you'll quickly narrow the choices. If natural gas or propane is not available, diesel-fired is an option. A best practice is to place the pressure washer away from the washing area to protect it from overspray. In this bay, it's located away from the washing area. A space-saving option is to elevate the pressure washer as you see here by placing it on a stand. If space prohibits it being remotely located, you can place it on a mezzanine in the washing area. This prevents overspray from having direct impact on the unit. The exhaust from the burner needs to be vented out of the building to ensure your staff is kept safe and to be compliant. A stack is connected to the top of the burner, feeding out the roof or a side wall. A barometric dampener or motorized power vent may also be necessary, depending on venting and climate conditions. This is something your dealer can usually assist with. Next, connect the pressure washer to the building's water supply. The high-pressure discharge from the pressure washer will then be piped into the washing area. Depending on the strength and power of the pressure washer, you can have several drops in the wash bay to possibly allow for multiple operators at the same time. A convenient and economical option for protecting the high-pressure hose is to mount a hose reel on a wall connected to the high-pressure water supply. The operator unwinds the hose prior to use and winds it up afterwards. Other options include a trolley hose system to easily move the hose back and forth the length of the bay. An overhead boom swivel gives the operator flexibility when cleaning around the vehicle, without needing to constantly adjust the hose behind them. Plus, keeping the hoses up off the ground will protect them and help to reduce the hazard of someone tripping or being run over. A wired or wireless primary remote panel is installed in the washing area to allow the operator to turn on the pressure washer pump, burner, and dispense soap as needed. If the bay is not contained by walls, you can install heavy curtains to contain the spray. Plan to incorporate detergent as it allows for faster, more thorough cleaning. A detergent drum or large-size bulk tote can be placed next to the pressure washer with a chemical injector pulling the soap as needed. Here, we have a 70-gallon tank with a hydrominder to proportion the soap. The operator controls the delivery of soap remotely from the wash bay. The center of the wash bay should have a drain for the wash water. Make sure the floor has a slope to properly drain. Depending on local regulations for wash water runoff, it can feed into a fully contained wash water treatment system. Here we have a 3-stage water maze system which treats the water before they remove the sludge buildup with a pit sucker. Your Hotsy dealer can provide options. The walls of the wash bay could be equipped with lights and storage for keeping additional brushes, nozzles, and floor mat holders within easy reach. These are many of the options available for creating a wash bay. But know your nearest dealer can also assist with additional accessories like ceiling fans, RO systems, water softeners, and more. If you'd like to learn more, reach out to your local Hotsy dealer, and soon you'll see why nothing cleans like a Hotsy.